We're going to Thailand in 10 days.
Wow, I've wanted to see monkeys for so long. I've always dreamed of seeing a peacock. And she usually hunts at dawn. The diet mainly consists of fruits, leaves, and seeds. The king cobra is a very large snake. It is the largest venomous snake in the world.
Its length can be 3 or 4 meters. Some grow even up to 5 meters. That's a lot. It's almost as long as a school bus.
If you like the video, tap the like button. Click the bell icon. Subscribe to our channel. You won't miss new facts about animals.
The weight of this snake exceeds 6 kilograms. This weight reflects its large size and powerful musculature.
This snake isn't interested in mice or birds. Its favorite meal? Other snakes, even the venomous ones. That's why its Latin name, Ophiophagus, means snake eater. So, the king cobra is a real snake hunter.
When the king cobra senses danger, it raises its body. Its hood becomes visible. It spreads the hood to look even bigger and more intimidating.
It also makes a loud hiss, as if it's saying, "Don't come closer." This is a warning. The snake wants to scare off the enemy, not attack right away.
Mongooses are famous snake fighters. They aren't protected from venom, but they react to any threat with lightning speed. This skill helps them win.
The snake eagle is capable of attacking the king cobra from the air, carrying it away, or delivering heavy blows with its beak and talons. The king cobra builds a nest. To do this, it takes leaves and branches. It makes a small pile, and inside, a place for the eggs.
This snake is venomous, but it doesn't always use its venom. Sometimes it bites without injecting any toxin. These bites are called dry bites.
The snake saves its venom for real danger because producing it is a lot of work for its body.
For a snake, venom is like a gold reserve in a bank. It won't waste it on trivial things, only on something truly important. The snake saves its venom for real danger because producing it is a lot of work for its body.
Snake venom can help people feel less pain. Doctors use it in very small amounts to create medicines that relieve pain and swelling. The king cobra lives in warm places, in the forests and jungles of Southeast Asia, including Thailand. During the day, she can hide in the thick grass or under the roots, and she usually hunts at dawn or in the late afternoon when it's not so hot.
In Thailand, you can see macaques by the sea and in the forest. They have an amazing ability to adapt.
They use stones as tools. They pick a suitable rock and skillfully crack open hard nuts to get to the kernel. Monkeys leave a lot of fragments on the ground while cracking nuts. This often makes it difficult for anthropologists to carry out their research. Scientists note that these artifacts look almost identical to the tools created by humanity's earliest ancestors.
The social life of macaques is quite complex. They form groups with a clearly defined hierarchy.
As a rule, the strongest and most experienced male is at the head of the group. Females and young animals follow him in rank. In the troop, monkeys spend a lot of time grooming each other. This helps them build relationships and strengthen their bonds. The diet mainly consists of fruits, leaves, and seeds, but the animals gladly supplement it with insects, small animals, and bird eggs when they get the chance. In Thailand, macaques raise their young together. Older females teach the babies to find food and avoid danger. It's a real monkey nursery. In the monkey nursery, macaques learn through play and imitation. The babies copy the adults and thus discover where to find food. The little ones are training.
They practice jumping between branches, learning to keep balance and grasp objects properly.
Monkeys don't just quench their thirst, they truly love to bathe, as if water is both a refreshing delight and a joyful game for them.
Agile macaques are foraging for their lunch on the coast. They hunt small crabs hiding among the rocks. In the sweltering midday heat, a family of macaques finds refuge from the heat. The adults and the little ones press themselves against the cool stones. In the midday heat, Thai macaques take refuge in the shade of ancient temples, by the stone steps, on the cool slabs, or in the secluded corners under the overhangs. Macaques usually live 15–20 years in the wild. In zoos, they can live up to 30 years. Predators and diseases greatly affect their lifespan.
Macaques are clever. They nimbly snatch bags, phones, glasses, and hats from tourists, and sometimes the only way to get the item back is to offer a treat in exchange.
They become especially dangerous when they protect their young or feel threatened. And the habit of getting food from people sometimes makes them persistent.
When you encounter them, keep your distance. Don't feed or pet the animals. Avoid sudden movements and direct eye contact. For primates, this is a sign of threat.
The green peacock is a very beautiful bird. It lives in the forests of Thailand. The male has long feathers.
When he spreads them, they look like a large fan. The feathers are green, bronze, and gold. They glisten in the sun. It's as if there are tiny mirrors on the feathers. The female peacock is more modest than the male. She's a little smaller and not as brightly colored, but that doesn't make her any less beautiful. Her plumage is in muted shades. The peacocks walk across the ground and carefully search for food. Their movements are cautious. In the forest, it's important to notice everything.
They eat seeds, berries, insects, and small lizards. They also enjoy feasting on young shoots and tender leaves. This way, they get an extra portion of vitamins.
Sometimes they take dust baths. This helps them stay clean and get rid of tiny bugs. At night, peacocks sleep in the trees. This keeps them safe. Predators can't reach them. The female builds a simple nest on the ground. She lays eggs that are brownish-beige in color. This color helps hide the eggs among the leaves. The female peacock lays 4 to 10 eggs at a time, just like a small basket of eggs. In the wild, she does this in spring and summer. The chicks are small and brown. They can run just a few hours after they hatch. They follow their mom everywhere.
In the wild, green peacocks live for about 15 years. In zoos or reserves, they can live up to 20 years.
But there aren't many green peacocks left. We must protect the forests so that these beautiful birds stay with us.
If you liked the video, tap the like button, click the bell icon, subscribe to our channel. You won't miss new facts about animals.